Hey, do you want to make money online? And maybe you want to make money using the largest e-commerce platform on the planet, Amazon? And maybe you want to do without no website, without having to worry about customers, without having to create your own product or service, and at the same time still making high ticket commissions and sales? Well, then maybe you heard about the Artoon Gallery Cash Empire course. Well, in this exciting episode today, we're going to do, and I'm going to share with you, an Artoon Gallery Cash Empire review. As a matter of fact, in this episode, you're going to learn specifically, is it possible to start an Amazon e-commerce store without having your own products or website, okay? And you're gonna learn about who is the creator, are they legit? Who is this method ideal for? What is the Artoon Gallery Cash Empire and how the heck does it work? How much do you need to invest to get access and all the upsells? We'll do a members area inside look and even do a demo for you, and then go over the pros and cons of this program, give you my final rating to help you decide whether or not the Artoon Gallery Cash Empire is the right method for you to make money online. So hey, if you don't know, my name is Christian G, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the online skill sets to get results, make money, and drive breakthroughs. All right. So if you like content like that, reviews like this, then hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. All right. So hey, let's get right down into this thing. This is a ClickBank product review with the Artoon Gallery, and is it legit? Well, first of all, let's talk about the creator. The creator is a gentleman by the name of Jimmy Chappell. Now, he's an internet marketer, an entrepreneur, a massive product creator. I couldn't find a whole lot about him online. I think he likes to keep a low profile, but I tell you what, the man has created a bazillion ClickBank products, okay? So this is him right here, and of course you can see his Artoon Gallery Cash Empire course here, but I mean, this dude has so many courses on all kinds of things that you can see here in the realm of online marketing, internet marketing. I mean, videos, e-commerce, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, blogging. I mean, this dude has created a ton of courses. I said it was like 50 plus, but I'm thinking there's more like about 100 courses here. I'm still scrolling and I haven't even gotten halfway through the page, okay? So, I mean, being as it is, I mean, clearly the man is very involved and has a lot of experience with it, all right? So he seems pretty legit to me on that front. Now, who is Artoon Gallery Cash Empire for? Well, is anybody who wants to make money online from home. If you're a home business entrepreneur, if you're an affiliate marketer, this may be something you might want to look at. If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur and you're like kind of tired of like doing all the inventory management and things like that, you may want to take a look at this. If you're an Amazon, eBay arbitrage marketer, you sell on Amazon and eBay, you may want to take a look at this because it doesn't involve arbitrage whatsoever. If you're a drop shipper and you're kind of tired of dealing with that and the customer service and all that, this may be something to take a look at as well. If you're an art enthusiast, this may be something, a great way for you to get involved online. If you're a photographer or if you're an Etsy-like creator, this may be something that's worth checking out. Now, what is Artoon Gallery Cash Empire? Now, essentially what it is, it's a fully developed software tool and system that turns any picture that you upload into a high quality premium physical canvas painting that is sold on Amazon, all right? So I'm going to give you a walkthrough and show you a demo exactly what this looks like. But essentially what you're gonna do is you would upload pictures, and once you upload these pictures, they'll be placed on Amazon by an Artoon Gallery. Now, Artoon Gallery is actually a separate business. They're a gallery. In fact, I was able to find a website page of them they have here. They do paintings and prints and caricature and portrait paintings and things like that. So they're like a legit business. It seems like they've partnered up with Jimmy Chappell to produce this product, okay? And so what they'll do is then take your photo, place it on Amazon, and list it for as high as $1,000 plus. We're talking about high ticket, okay? And then when someone comes along on Amazon, clicks to purchase the order, the Artoon Gallery will then automatically edit, build, package, and distribute the paintings using their state-of-the-art materials to your customer anywhere in the world. Once that happens, you then collect a flat $500 paycheck, all right? Commission straight up. So essentially what you're doing is you're creating your own high ticket online painting Amazon store with this product. So it's very interesting, okay? Pricing, you're looking at the cloud software tool is $297 right now. At the time of this video, this is just before he's releasing it around May. And then after those couple days of his initial launch, it's gonna go to its regular price, which is $497, all right? And then upsell number one is this gold upgrade, which is about $97. That allows you to create mini versions of the paintings that are like lower cost value, so that people, if they don't buy $1,000, maybe they'll buy $750 or $500, and guess what? You still get paid the same exact commission of $500. So it's interesting. And then there's a VIP membership that's $147 per month that allows you to create these, allow the paintings to be used, this filter that allows them to make them much more dynamic and things like that. All right. right? So let me take a look. Let's take a quick look into the members area so you can see what it looks like. So very simple. Once you get inside, it's very simple. That's what I like about it. There's not a whole lot going on here. So this is what the members area looks like when you would want to upload a photo. Okay, so all you would need to do is put in your full name here. So I'll put a full name, and then you're going to put your PayPal address. This is the address where you're going to receive your payment. So essentially you want to put that PayPal address that's appropriate, and then you will want to put in a photo here. So let me go ahead and put in some stuff here so you can kind of see it. Okay, then once you have your name, your email, the email address that you're going to use for your PayPal, then you're going to upload an image. Now you can see here, you need to make sure that the image that you upload is like 4800 by 3200 pixels, right? Because remember, this is photo is going to be turned into a very large painting, so you got to make sure that it has enough pixels so that it looks good when it's enlarged. So I'm going to click choose file here. It's going to open this up. I'm going to look for this photo here that I downloaded earlier. It's like a photo of basically hot air balloons. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you can use photos that are someone else is taking, or you can use your own photos. But if you use someone else's photos, you got to worry about copywriting. So you just got to be careful with that. And then once you do that, then you want to put a title here. So this is going to be the title that's going to be for your Amazon listing. So I'll just put something here that says like this: hot air balloons flood the sky. And then you're going to want to put a little description here. So you can put like, you probably want to put a very nice description about what this is so that it kind of works with Amazon's SEO. But in this case, I'm just going to put something that's real short and simple. All right. And then the next part is then you're going to put an explanation. So the explanation is going to be a brief explain where the ownership of your photo. So if it was your own photo, you can just say, this is my own photo that I took or whatever. But in this case, this is a photo that I got from one of these. This is a photo that I got from a Unsplash. So I'm just going to put on there that this is an Unsplash commercial free video copyright photo. All right, once you finish all that, then you're going to click here that I agree that I'm providing accurate details above and claim full ownership with commercial rights of the image, and then you're going to hit submit. Then once you're done, it's going to say, hey, form has been submitted successfully. All right. So if you want to take a look at what it will look like once it's posted, once it's listed on Amazon, because it does take about 24 hours for Artoon Gallery to get the image that you uploaded and put it on Amazon. It looks like something like this. All right. And this is just kind of an example here. They'll put the image, the description that you put here. They're going to create these multiple pieces if you are applied for it, are qualified for it. And you can see all these descriptions here, you know, high quality material, shipped from the USA, made in USA, shipped, and get free shipping. So it's actually pretty good. It looks high quality, and these jokers running for like $1,000. So imagine your painting looking just like this, someone clicking on there and you collecting a $500 check just like that. All right, so a few things that I like about Artoon Gallery, this Cash Empire. Number one is a high ticket physical product that you can promote and sell that leverages Amazon, right? So you don't have to do a whole lot of work in this case, right? There's low cost to get started to create this physical product. I mean, once you pay the one-time fee, that's it. No product to create or that you need to source, no inventory that you need to manage, no customer service that's required, no experience or training that you really need to get started in doing this, right? And you can literally build and have it packaged and distributed, all of it handled by Artoon Gallery. So you're leveraging them and this software tool to do this work, and it's really amazing. It seems pretty cool. It allows artistic creators to shine. So if you have the artistic side of you to take pictures or photos or paintings, then hey, this is a great way to make money from that. And it's possible to create tons of image listings, right, and dominate a certain particular niche. Like let's say we just want to do a bunch of landscape photos. You could dominate landscape photos. There's really no limit how many of these you could create, and it literally takes you 60 seconds to do it, right? And then one sell can make back your investment in the course, right? And so, and at the same time, you're using the Amazon platform to ensure that there's high quality delivery so the customers get a great experience, which is what I like. Some things that I don't like, or things that you just have to consider that's interesting, is number one, hey, there is potential for copyright issues here, so you just got to be careful, right? So like we said, it's probably in your best interest to use images that are your own. That's the best way to kind of avoid the whole copyright thing. And that means, you know, you could just kind of start doing photography for yourself. Now you might say, oh, Chris, I don't know, I don't want to do that, or I don't know how to. Hey, number one, everybody has an iPhone or a Samsung phone that's high quality that you could take really good pictures on, right? So just start shooting pictures around your area, around you, that you see that are interesting, and those things could be really, really cool paintings or really cool cool paintings that someone want to buy. Or push come to shove, you can just get a course, right? Just gonna go small courses. For example, you could go to Udemy, type in photography courses, and they literally have high quality courses selling for $15, $12. I mean, look at these ratings, 5,000, right? I mean, dude, you can learn something here, okay, right? It's not gonna cost you a whole lot if you want to kind of just get those good paintings and really make money from this. At the same time, another thing to consider is that you're gonna be using copyright. If you use copyright-free images, it kind of leaves you open to someone else coming around and copying you and eating at your profits. But once again, if you have your own personal, unique images, you don't have to worry about this. Now you are relying on a third party, in this case, Artoon Gallery, to create and deliver the products to their customers. So that's something that you just have to consider. I mean, at the end of the day, they're doing a lot of work that would take you forever to learn how to do. So maybe it's okay to rely on it. But you just got to keep in mind there's a lot of moving pieces in this system. So on top of that, you got to consider the fact that marketing of your listing may not be as automatic as described to. They said that, hey, once it's on Amazon, you're going to get automatic traffic. Then, that may be true. It may not be true. You got to think about the fact that you may have to, get your listings out there and promote them on social media and let people know. You're going to have to do a little bit of marketing, right? Just to make sure that you can get found. Amazon's not going to exactly do all the work for you. So that's just something to keep in mind. And I think the biggest thing to consider on here is how much money can you really, really make, and how quickly will you make this money, right? Think about this. Is this market of art enthusiasts searching on Amazon? I just want you to think about this idea. Think about the fact that you're not going to be selling these paintings to just anybody, right? $1,000 paintings, that's not just a regular Joe, right? The regular Joe like myself, I'm not buying $1,000 painting. It's not my thing. So the group of people that are doing that are specific art enthusiasts, right? They're the ones buying paintings. And guess what? They're probably buying 1,000, 2,000, I heard 10, 20, hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? But are they buying from Amazon though? Right? So think about that. I feel like when I think about it, these people are buying in galleries, right? In shops and places like that where they're being presented and they're giving the feeling, right? When they see the photo, oh, it makes me feel this way. I must have it. How much, right? Like, I feel like that's where they're buying these paintings. I don't know that they're buying on Amazon. So I'm not saying it's not impossible, because it's definitely possibly possible, but I'm just saying that it may require that you do a little bit more digging, a little bit more understanding of the industry, of the market that is the art market. You're going to have to get in the mood, get into the culture, get into the vibe of how these type of people think and what are they looking for. If you really want to scale this thing and really make consistent income from it, you may make a couple of sales, right? But to really make that money, you're probably going to have to do a little bit more work, right? To really dive into that market. Anyway, at the end of the day, I give this 3.5 stars. I think it's a pretty good course. It's a pretty nice course. It's a simple, easy way to use a software tool that's going to turn any image into a high quality canvas painting that's, by the way, sold on Amazon and leverages an art gallery for all the work at the same time and pays you high ticket commissions. But you have to think about the fact that it'll require a little bit more understanding of the art market so that you can make consistent sales. All right. So if that's valuable for you, I think that's worth considering. You think there's a lot of potential here, and I think you can make a whole lot of money. All right. So hey, definitely check that out. All right. So if you got value from this review, then hey, definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and leave your comments below if you've had the course and what your thoughts are in it as well. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check out the course and probably get your hands on it before it goes to full price. All right. So that's it, my friend. Until the next exciting episode, you be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.